Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the science for class 7, chapter 6. This is physical and chemical changes. Yesterday we have discussed that what is the physical change and what is the chemical change. Now we will discuss it in a brief. Physical change. Physical change are those change in which the physical changes happen in the state, shape, size of the object is getting changed. It is caused due to the pressure, temperature or motion can bring about a physical change. Physical change have been done in a particular material, for example melting of ice, cooking of chapati, for stretching of rubber. All three are the physical change in which the matter get converted into the another things and it can be reversible form. On the other hand, chemical changes are happen in a matter when when the internal makeup or molecules of the object changed. Unlike a physical change, chemical change cannot be reversed. Chemical change cannot be reversed. It is the main important point for the chemical change. It cannot be reversed. Chemical change when it produce a gas, light, smell, heat or color change. All are the characteristics we will easily find that if the reaction have produces gases, it is produces light, it will produce the smell or heat or any color change we have observed, then we can we can easily find that it is a chemical change. And also some other things can be seen in a chemical change: formation of solid in the form of precipitate, and in some cases accompanied by the gain or loss of energy. So in chemical changes all these can be happen. For example, cooking or frying of an egg is a chemical change in which generally we have find that the raw egg is a liquid form. When we start cooking it or we can start boiling it, the liquid form is get converted into the solid form and the state will get change from liquid to solid. This is the chemical change. And other examples that we have seen in our daily life, that burning of coal, burning of wood, burning of paper, all these are the chemical change. The 10 common examples of chemical change that we have seen or we can find in our home, that is baking of cake, rusting nail or metals or aluminium, burning wood or log, exploding firework, ripening and rotten banana or other fruits, digestion food in our tummy. Digestion, we have eating the food and our body get digested to it. The digestion process is a chemical change. We have eaten the food and at the end of the day it will be digested inside the body. All the chemical changes are happen inside the body. Mixing an acid with a base, producing water and salt, it is also a chemical change. Means we can mix the acid with base and a new substances form, and as well as some heat will be produced or heat will be absorbed. It may be happen. Baking turkey or grilling chicken. Cooking of food is a type of chemical changes in which the composition or we can say the properties of the food get changed. It will be become soft in texture, juicy, and all these we can find it. Changing color of autumn leaves. Change in the color of plants is also a chemical change. We have seen that the new grown plant is a green in color, but after some time the leaf color get converted into yellow or orange, or it will be uh, leave off from the plant. Milk going or gone bad. In a summertime we have find that our milk, if we will not heat it properly, the milk get converted into the curd form. Okay, so it is producing bad taste, bad smell. All 10 examples we have seen here, all these are the example of chemical changes.